Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm feeling like a very lucky girly. I've just had this little beauty arrive through the post. It is the Modelones Pro Gel Starter Kit, and I think it's just called the Purple Starter Kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's arrived today in quite a big box. I'm quite impressed at how big the box is. But yeah, I'm going to open this up today, show you what I've got, test out the bits that are in there, and yeah, see what I think. I've never tried any Modelones products before, so I'm so excited to try these out. You have to excuse the mess that is on my desk. I've got a gigantic hole. I accidentally spilled super glue and I now have a huge hole in my desk because my resin dish stuck to it, and yeah, I've tried colouring it in with black Sharpie, but it's a mess. But anyway, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to get this box open and see what goodies we've got inside. Okay, so first of all, I've got what looks like some instructions. Yeah, there's how to remove gel instructions, which is always useful. So we've got how to prepare your nails, how to use the gel nail polish kit, and then also how to remove them, which is always really useful to have, especially because this is a starter kit and I need to know how to remove gels properly to save your nails, so that's very handy. So next we've got this absolutely gorgeous lamp. I really like the look of this lamp. You've got a really big LED display on it, and you've got a timer, so it does 90 seconds, 60 seconds and 30 seconds. I think it's really gorgeous. It hasn't got a bottom, but I don't mind that at all. It's obviously an LED lamp. It's quite a good size. There's also USB, which is really useful. And it does come with a manual that says non-harmful to eyes, which is obviously good. And just a few details about it. But yeah, that looks really good. I'm going to plug it in and see how it looks turned on. Okay, so it is a 36 watt lamp. As you can see there, you've got your LED display showing you the time, which is always helpful. And there we go, that's it lit up. There's also one of those sensitive ones, so it's fully aware when you put your nails inside of it, and it continues counting down from where it left off. So yeah, I really like that lamp. So we've got a couple of the nail files, they're both 100 over 180 grit. I've really needed some new files, I just haven't got around to ordering any, so absolutely buzzing about that. You've got like this really thin one here, and then you've also got this one which is quite chunky. So both feel like really good quality files as well, and I absolutely love them. Definitely good files. Then we've got this whole pouch full of loads of different goodies, lots of different tools and stuff, and wipes, some little decals there, and just yeah, pretty much everything you need for starting out with nails, which I think is absolutely awesome. So I'm going to show you all the bits one by one. I do apologise about my voice as well, by the way. I've got absolutely horrific cold right now and my words just aren't really coming out very well at all, so I do apologise for my annoying voice. But yeah, the first thing we've got the little pouch was Cuticle Revitalizer Oil, which is always nice. So open that up. It's one of those nice cuticle oils. It comes with a really nice brush. I think that and just sort of twists. But these are really good for sticking in your handbag. I normally use the Neo Nails cuticle oil, but it comes in a pot like that. Whereas these ones are like really good for sticking in your handbag, so you can take them everywhere with you. Then we've got one of these brushes, which I have actually already got a couple of. So I'm probably actually going to put this one into the giveaway pile because they're really good, they're really soft, and I just find them really useful to have. Then we've got some cute holographic flame decals, which are really sweet. I love these, and I'm definitely going to be making use of them. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got some toe separators. I don't personally ever use these, so I will put these aside in the giveaway for someone else to win. There's no point me keeping all stuff I'm not going to use, but they are really useful for when you're painting your toes. And you get two, which is ideal, so you can do both feet at the same time. So then we've got some UV gel cleanser wipes, which are great for removing a sticky layer off your gel. And it's like get quite a few in there, so they'll be really useful to have. And then we've got some removal wipes as well, which should be for removing your polish. and again you get quite a lot in there, so again really helpful. Then we've got one of these which is used for sort of pushing your cuticles back, and you've got like a little trimmer there which I think is for removing your cuticles. I have already got one of these, so it'll be another thing that I put aside for the giveaway, but it's always a really handy tool to have. You've got a set of nail clippers, which again I've got so many of, so I will put these aside into the giveaway again, but also another really useful thing to have. Then we've also got one of these things. I don't know what the actual name of this is, but again it's another really useful tool. And then we've got these beauties, which I don't know what they're called, but they're like little metal like decorations to put on your nails. I don't actually have any of these, so I'm absolutely so happy that I've got these to try. They look really good, and I'm sure they look great on nails, so really happy about that. And then lastly, in that little package, I've got a brand new set of tweezers that come in this cute little packaging. Again, I've got loads of tweezers, so I'm going to put these aside for the giveaway, but they look like good decent tweezers, ideal for picking up rhinestones, and again just another really useful tool to have when you do nails. So I think the tool selection with this kit is definitely ideal. You've pretty much got everything there you need in order to do your nails, so yeah, really happy. And then finally, the most exciting part of it all is the gel polishes. So in this set I've got 7 colour gels, and then I've also got a base coat, a top coat and a primer as well. So I've got like a lilac-y purple, a sort of like skinny sort of tone pink, I've got a light grey, a more deeper grey, sort of purpley grey, got like a beigey sort of skin colour, I've got sparkly pink, and then I've sort of got like a bluey green. These ones all come in 6ml bottles. The top coat and the base coat come in 10ml bottles, as well as the primer I'm assuming is 10ml as well. But yeah, I'm going to get these out now. I'm going to give them a good swatch for you guys and just see how they look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out this base coat just on the one nail, just to see how it cures. But I don't normally bother to use base coat on tips. The consistency of it feels really nice, and I quite like the wide brushes as well. But yeah, I'm going to whack it in the new lamp and see how it cures. So as I said, the base coat is a 10ml bottle, and as per instructions it does say to cure it for 30 seconds. But yeah, I do like the bottles and it does feel really nice to apply. Then we've also got the primer, which I haven't actually used, but it's just like a normal primer, quite watery as all primers are. I would smell it, but like I said, I've got a cold so my nose is blocked, so I can't really do that. But anyhow, it's in a 10ml bottle, and it's always good to have primers. It's acid free as well, but I'll definitely be using this next time I do my own nails, and I will give you some feedback on that at some point. So first I'm going to go with this shade called Tara Milk. It is number 7. It's sort of like a purpley lilac-y colour. It's quite a thick gel, and the bottles definitely are very tiny. And judging by that, you probably could get away with 1 coat if you wanted to. I would personally give it 2, but if you wanted to, you probably could just get away with the 1. But I'm going to whack it in the lamp now and cure it. Okay, so then I'm going to top coat it using the top coat. I'm not sure if it's a non-white top coat or not, but we'll soon find out. Okay, so just going to apply a good layer of this. Again, I really love the size of the brush, and it feels super nice to apply. And whack that in the lamp. So it has dried down with a little bit of stick, but nothing compared to some of the top coats I've used. So give it a wipe with some IPA. And yeah, that is the Tara Milk, which is a really beautiful colour. I really like that. So I'm going to go on now, I'm going to speed on through and just show you swatches for all the other ones that I've got. And then I will get back to you after I've done that. So there we go, that is all swatches of all the different polishes. I do think they're absolutely gorgeous colours, and they're completely true to what was on the advertisement as well for these, which sometimes you find that they're not. Sometimes they edit their pictures of some companies and then you end up being disappointed when they arrive because they're nothing like what they look like. But with these, I find they're very true to what they were advertised as. They apply really nicely, they cure really nicely, the lamp is wonderful, it works as well as it should, the top coat's good, the base coat seems okay. I haven't tested the primer yet, but as primer I'm sure it works right. Overall, I think for the starter kit, it's a really good starter kit, especially if someone just started out with nails. You get all the right things that you could possibly need. And yeah, I think for the price, I think it was £28.99. But for the price, I think it is a really good starter set, especially with the lamp and everything. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this product. I will leave a link down below of where you can buy it. She's a really lovely girl that I got this from. And yeah, I definitely thoroughly recommend them. They've got quite a lot of different sets to pick from as well. I was lucky I got gifted this one. I'm really happy with the colours that I got. If I did get to pick myself, I probably would have picked this set anyway, so I'm really happy about that. And I can't thank the company enough for doing that for me. It's a really generous thing that they've done, so I'm very happy, so thank you so much. Like I said, I will leave the link as to where you can buy this and where you can look at all the other sets down below in the description box. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I apologise again about my voice. I'm just so blocked up and feeling so ill right now, and just having one of them days, well actually one of them weeks. As you know, we all go through it. But yeah, anyway, please like and subscribe everyone. Much love to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.